If you've ever felt like you're working hard but never truly getting ahead financially, Robert Kiyosaki's Rich Dad's Cashflow Quadrant may be exactly what you need. This book is more than just about making money, it's about changing the way you think about wealth and redefining your relationship with money. Kiyosaki introduces a revolutionary concept that can transform your entire financial outlook, the Cashflow Quadrant. In this life-changing book, Kiyosaki explains that there are 4 types of people in the world when it comes to how they earn their income. He calls these 4 groups the Cashflow Quadrant. These 4 categories show us exactly where we fall in terms of making money, and more importantly, how we can make the shift from the left side to the right side of the quadrant to unlock true financial freedom. Here's how the Cashflow Quadrant breaks down. 1. Employee. Employees are the backbone of most economies. They exchange their time and effort for a paycheck. While having a stable income sounds appealing, Kiyosaki emphasizes the limitations of this quadrant. Employees often work for someone else's goals and are dependent on a steady job. But the truth is, employees are vulnerable to layoffs, pay cuts, and a lack of control over their financial future. 2. Self-employed. People in the self-employed quadrant are often small business owners or freelancers. They own a job, meaning they are their own boss. While they have more independence, they are still dependent on their time and effort to generate income. This quadrant can feel like freedom, but it's often just another form of the rat race. Self-employed people can still struggle with burnout, lack of time, and limited scalability. 3. Business owner. This is where things start to shift toward true wealth building. Business owners create systems and leverage the power of other people to generate income. They are not tied to working directly for their money. Instead, their business works for them. This quadrant is where you'll find those who truly have financial freedom. As a business owner, you have the ability to scale, delegate, and grow without being limited by your own personal time. 4. Investor. Investors are the wealthiest people in the world because they make their money work for them. Instead of trading time for money, investors focus on building assets that generate income passively. Whether it's real estate, stocks, bonds, or businesses, the money you invest begins to work for you, creating multiple streams of income and building long-term wealth. Kiyosaki argues that shifting from the left side, E and S, to the right side, B and I, is the secret to financial freedom. But this shift isn't just about changing your job, it's about changing your mindset and embracing new strategies. It's about financial education and learning how to make your money work for you instead of working for money. This book emphasizes that financial independence doesn't come from earning a big salary or having a good job. It comes from understanding the principles of wealth building and making intentional, educated decisions about money. Whether you're just starting out or looking to make a major change, Kiyosaki offers invaluable advice on how to break free from the limitations of the traditional work structure and create financial freedom for yourself. Through real-world examples and practical advice, Rich Dad's Cashflow Quadrant gives you the tools to shift your mindset from scarcity to abundance. It empowers you to think beyond just earning a paycheck and to consider how you can build wealth through ownership, systems, and investment. Kiyosaki shows that with the right mindset and the right education, anyone can make the leap to the right side of the quadrant and achieve lasting financial success. So, if you're tired of living paycheck to paycheck, tired of trading time for money, and ready to take control of your financial destiny, this book is for you. Rich Dad's Cashflow Quadrant is more than just a guide, it's a wake-up call to challenge your beliefs about money, work, and wealth. Why does it matter to you? It's simple. If you want to get out of the cycle of working harder for money and start working smarter, shifting from the employee or self-employed quadrants to the business owner and investor quadrants is your path to true wealth. You'll need more than just hard work, you'll need knowledge, strategy, and a solid plan. So, if you're ready to take the leap and learn how to create a system that works for you, Rich Dad's Cashflow Quadrant will provide the roadmap. If you're serious about building your wealth and escaping the financial struggles that so many face, don't wait. Start today by learning how to break free from the left side of the quadrant and move to the right. Subscribe to the channel. If you found this summary insightful and are eager to dive deeper into the world of financial education, subscribe to our channel. We have more content like this that will help you shift your mindset and start building wealth today. Don't forget to hit the notification bell, so you never miss an update.